Yeah. Alright. Killing you bitches. Mr. J Fly getting at them lyrics. Eating so good, you know I'm getting paid here, Rick. Money counting up stacks to the fucking ceiling. Back up on my real shit. Boy, don't you get hit. I'm coming with them dudes. We got guns with mini clips, all with extensions. We ain't missing shit, and we gon' have them bodies dropping like it's fucking raining. Damn real nigga shit. Killing on this beat, and you bitches know that this is it. I done had enough holding back up on you snitches, man. You gon' back up, and I'm gon' hit you with this 9 times, bro. You ain't walking off that shit. Get hit with the shot, they blow your legs off, bitch. Got you looking half body on some real ass shit. I'm watching 3D while you on that 2D shit. Upgrade, my nigga. Yeah, I'm balling hard. Back up on my workflow, so they hate harder. I don't give a fuck, so I'ma stack harder. Still with my niggas, Young Ray, Ether, and Young Smoke. How it is that we tote. Man, these niggas on my dick. I don't give a fuck about it. Still, I'm ripping on my shit. This is all I do right now. And I rap on my own head. I don't need no pen and pad. Do this shit up. Damn, okay, the beat done fucked up. Still I'm on the shit, killing, don't get fucked up. Hit you with that 9 in your head, got you fucked up. Like you wearing makeup, you clown, put the wig on. Meat Mills kill, but it's my time. I put down for these rhyme shit, killing, getting hella hit. Got bad bitches in my phone. Just wait and let me hit them up. Then these niggas know what's up. Man, these niggas know let's roll up. All I do is smoke a lot of weed. Yeah, how you know every day of the week I be on this shit. Moving pounds like every day with it. Got digits out of average. These niggas know how it is, man. Goddamn that nigga on it, and I'm ripping so viciously. It's back to killing to you niggas. You gon' see 187. Look up, it's heaven. Now you died. It ain't no sense to be a reason. In my mind, I get this money like a bank, man. Foreclose on your life and let the end come slowly. Drag upon the road, man. Like a fucking corpse can't find his fucking soul, and I'ma destroy it, man. Before he can reach it, I'm a fucking demon. Nah, I'm just lying, just a nigga and a white man. Going ahead, I'm on it. This paper stack so far like cheddar on a sandwich. Niggas know I'm raw as fuck. I've been just playing on some repo shit. The words keep spraying. Fuck ass niggas. I'm tired of talking weak to you little niggas. Can you fucking hear me now? I'm still ballin', nigga. No matter what you getting paid, getting big figures. Yeah. I'm in my zone. I do this shit for real, man. I smoke when I'm on. You know I ain't doing other things besides this. I be killing, getting rich, man. These niggas know my eyes lower than the motherfucking 6'4" on the chromes. This ass sit lower than these bitches all alone. Yeah.